Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be doing what's new on my bead mat, finished jewelry. When I do these little series, these are just kind of like beads from all the different bead boxes and my own stash. It's just kind of like when I come in my room and just have fun and make jewelry without really any rhyme or reason. So I love sharing it with you guys though. Hopefully it inspires you to make something. So I have a lot of earrings. So these I'm starting out with. These I used the little super duos, and then I did the 11-0 blue and red Miyuki seed beads, and then I just sewed some of the wire guards on there, and just nice light earrings. And I just kind of did a circular pattern. I had a lot of fun doing these. So these are my first pair. And then my second pair, these were with Adornable Elements, if I'm not mistaken. I think from the December box. I was sick with a really bad head cold for like 10 days, so I didn't do any videos, but I was in my room making jewelry because, of course, you know, need to bead. So these are just a pair that I made. I thought these turned out pretty cool. I loved these pretty beads. I love these fun 2-hole beads. I love all the different shapes and sizes that they give you with Adornable Elements. I will leave the link below to the Adornable Elements and to a coupon code too, in case if you're interested, if you're not familiar with them. They have the most beautiful beads, and you get, you know, all different kinds, just funky little shapes and sizes, and so much fun. So here's another pair. These were just, I used some crystal bicones in pink. I think they were a 6. I'm trying to think what they were now because I don't have any more. And I just did, and then I did some of my super duos, the silver, and then I just did the 11-0s in a soft goldy yellow, and then I did some in the deep blue, and then I put some tiny fire polish beads around there. So, and then this is the back of it. So you can see the fire polish beads in the back. So you can, I mean, you can wear these either way. Actually, those look pretty that way too. So yes, I have these. I have those. And then these were really fun. I think these were Adornable Elements, but I think these bottom ones, the tulip petals, were from the December box, but these were from the October, November box. You should see my desk when I start working. It's like just bead central. So, and I just did some fire polish beads and some 11-0 Miyukis around, and the super duos. I have them in gold too. Yeah, so and this is the back side of it. Just a fun little earring. I loved using these. So we have these. And then I'll show you my necklaces. These, I've got 2. I used the same beads and kind of changed them up. So, hold on 1 second. So I made this little like triangular pattern. I thought that was pretty cool. And then I just attached, and these are some dollar bead box beads. I think these were from December, if I'm not mistaken. So, and then I just took some of my fire polish beads and more of the dollar bead box and some of my 11.0 black Miyuki seed beads. Just made this fun necklace, and then I had a black lobster clasp and jump rings and crimp beads. I wanted to stick with the black for that. And then here's the other one. This is a little different of a shape, but I thought this was really pretty too. So they're kind of like the same, but yet they're not. So then I just did this, and then I changed up the pattern just a little bit. See, so if you put both of these together, different shapes, but they're fun. Yeah, so I had a lot of fun with these. And then I like, as I do necklaces, like I did the tiny fire polish beads, I like starting it out thicker here and then going down into thinner on the necklace. I think it just gives it like, I like that style. And it's funny because, you know, as an artist, your style changes a lot, you know, and you like, even like with my artwork and my paintings, like the way I used to paint 6-7 years ago is totally different from now. I think as you evolve and, you know, you change up and you just learn new things and new techniques and what works for you. Okay, and here was my next ones. Loved these. And I'm gonna be doing more tutorials this year. So definitely stay tuned, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so YouTube will notify you every time you upload a new video. So yeah, these were fun, and this is the back side of these. These were a lot of fun to make, and just I don't think there's any from Adornable Elements on here. I think these are just my own stash. But, yeah, the Super Duos were my own stash. And then I did these really cool, like, little star earrings. And these were from Adornable Elements, tile beads. And then the other ones were just my seed beads. I just see these little stars, kind of fun. I have these, and let's see. Oh, these were fun. After I did these, I thought these look like turtles. Let me get these, lay these down straight. But they kind of reminded me of turtles now that I, you know, like the little paws. Like if I would have had a head here, that would have been a turtle. So, and I think these beads were from the December Adornable Elements. And the petal beads were from a couple months ago from them. And then I just did seed beads. I did 11.0 and some 10.0s, I think. Intertwine them. So this is the back of it. It's so much fun. I love just coming in my room and just putting on like a series of, you know, a show that I've seen a million times, so I don't really have to pay attention, but it's in the background, and just creating. It's my favorite time. It's my favorite way to relax. So here's my next ones. And these, I thought these were really pretty. These are just some of the green fire polish beads. I think these were from Dollar Bead Box. And the 2-hole tile beads. Very pretty. And then some 11.0 seed beads in there. And that's the other side. So it's kind of the same on both sides. Now that I look at this, I probably should have done, what do you call it? A black ear wire, kind of like that. That would look pretty in there. I might change that. I've got, I don't know if I told you guys, I signed up to do all these craft fairs in 2024. I literally have one every weekend except for one weekend in February for the next 3 months. So I've been busy making earrings. So, and these are just my super duos and fire polish beads. So I just did some of these, and I loved these fire polish because they had kind of like a gold and a silver and a bronze, like kind of muted glow to them. So it adds a little bit of contrast when you, like if you're wearing them, see as you turn your head, you get that different view of them. So I love these. Then, oh, these I think turned out so pretty. I wasn't sure when I first started making them. I love the way these turned out. So these are those gorgeous hexagon beads from Adornable Elements, and then just my super duos. And I think the fire polish were either, I think they were dollar bead bucks. And some of my super duos and little seed beads. And that's the other side. It's pretty much the same. So I have those. I have quite a few, let me tell you. I have been busy. And here's another one. These pearls were from Dollar Bead Box. I think November or December. I'm not sure. And I just did my 11-0 seed beads, some fire polish beads, and here's the other side of it. I did these seed beads right here are the ones from Dollar Bead Box. I think they were from the December box. We get so many beads, and if once I put them all out on my desk, sometimes I forget what's what, and I just, start creating. So I love the way these turned out. And then I got these fun ones. These are kind of like heart-shaped. So these were really fun to make. So then they got the little heart shape. And then I got the 8-0 seed bead there, and then 11-0s, and those were 10-0s, I think. And then just the Adornable Elements beads. Then I just did a little circle up there, and I reinforced it twice. And then just put the ear wire on. These are really fun. Okay. Running out of room here. And then these were fun. Although all of them are fun. And love the way these turned out. This almost looks like some of that, this kind of, after I did it, kind of reminded me of like this strudel bread, you know how you wrap it? It just kind of looks like that, even though it's not. Yeah, and then here's the other side of these. These are fun. Now these are the square beads, but the hole was on an angle. It wasn't straight, so that's how I was able to get that look to it. It wasn't like these tile beads were like that. These were at the corners, triangular. And then I just did my 11-0 seed beads. And then I have these. I just spend days in my room making earrings. Kind of a jewelry, an earring addict. They sell really quick at my craft shows, let me tell you. So it gives me an excuse to just make more. So these remind me of like kind of little like fans or something. That's that way. The tulip beads, and then my these super duos were from Adornable Elements, the green and the kind of mocha colored ones, and these are Adornable Elements. The seed beads are mine. Actually, the green seed beads were from the company Beads to Live By. Cassandra had sent me some a while ago. That's a really nice company as well. for beads. So I have those. I have, oh, I'm going to show you this. This I just made. This is like a kind of like a pendant. I don't really know what I'm doing with it yet. I was going to make it into an earring, but I thought this would be kind of cool. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. I thought about just hanging like a copper chain from it, but I'm not really sure yet. So, but I loved the way this turned out. I did all the copper super duos in there, then went with the silver, and then back with the copper with the blue 11 O's in between. Thought this was really fun. So that will show up in something. And then these were really fun too. So these are just, these tile beads are from probably like 6 months ago, Adornable Elements. And then the blue 2 holes were from, I think, the December Adornable Elements. And then just my seed beads. So, and then this is the back of it. These turned out really fun though. I got those right there. And I got 2 more pairs. And these were fun. These are just tiny little ones. Just fire polish beads, and then the 2-hole other ones. Here's the back side of them. It's just the flat part of the bead. But these were really fun to make. So I have these. And then I have one more pair. These are cool. I was working with trying out different designs with the super duos, but I like the copper and blue, turquoise blue. Well, not turquoise, more like a baby blue and black. Like that, I think they turned out really pretty. And then I just did the copper wire guards and copper ear wires. So yeah, and then this is the back part of it. So I hope you enjoyed this little what's new on my bead mat. Sorry, my throat's getting dry. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of it. And hope I've inspired you to make some of your own jewelry. You know, I love keeping the bead boxes together when I create things, but then I also love just putting everything out and just going hog wild. So, yeah, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And I will leave links to my Facebook, my Pinterest, my Instagram, and my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry below. And I will leave a link to Adornable Elements and Dollar Bead Box. And I'll leave a link to Beads to Live By because I did use some of her beads. Cassandra, she's a great lady. And yeah, her beads are really fun too. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching, and happy 2024. Hopefully this will be a great year for everybody, and I will see you on my next video. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.